Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 17th of December, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we head into a new week here, again, you definitely do not want to take your eye off the ball during this very strong seasonal period for the precious metals. Now we have gold at the moment that has just broken above 1,480 US dollars per ounce. And as many of you that follow our week ahead reports, our gold asset of the day, you know that we've been continuing to build positions on each of these dips in the latest week. In fact, last week we banked one of our trades for 300 points on that breakout out to 1486, only then to buy back at the mid 1460 zone yet again over 4 positions, banking us another 330 points on Friday. And we've continued to manage those trades and add more positions over the course of this week as we've dipped back towards that 1474 handle just at the start of the week. So currently we are running with some strong positions here into this very seasonal play going from mid-December right the way through into January. It's a time of year where many traders, they start to wind down and they take this time of year off, which is absolutely fine, by the way, but also be aware that there are some great opportunities in the market to build positions, core positions that you can have running throughout the Christmas season. Palladium is a fantastic example of this. In fact, just 2 weeks ago, we recorded our predictions for 2020. One of those included Palladium, where we projected the price to hit $2,000 per ounce. And at the time, Palladium was trading around $1,850 per ounce. Today, Palladium has broken out to $2,000. In the last month, Palladium is up over 3,000 points. This gives you an idea of some of the very strong momentum moves we can see in the precious metals over this period. In fact, on that trade, we banked 1,740 points. The other market you definitely want to have on the radar at the moment is silver, actually platinum too, but silver especially at this $17 level. Now I'm going to cover silver with you in more detail on silver asset of the day. A major factor to bear in mind at the moment is that last week we had the FOMC statement, we had the European Central Bank announcement, we had the UK election, and we also had a resolution between the US and China on trade tariffs. So we are through all of these major news items, which of course provide volatility and be catalysts for big moves. But now going into this week, we don't have as many news items, and we're starting to see the precious metals slowly grind higher. But we do have in the background this looming impeachment of Donald Trump. And if this does go through, and we see this as breaking news items over the course of this week, this could very quickly see the precious metals catch a bid, gold of course getting the safe haven as well. So for this week, what we're looking at is the potential for gold to come back up to the 1490, 1495 zone. We would then look for, over this period and into January, a break above 1,500 US dollars per ounce for gold. As I mentioned before, there have been many traders out there that are just waiting for much lower prices for gold, and I don't believe they're going to get filled, not at these 1,400 levels that many traders are waiting for, so they're just going to miss the boat essentially. We're already up over 200 points just off last week's lows, and we're continuing to climb steadily with the metals. So again, this is definitely not a time of year that you want to take your eye off the ball with the precious metals. Stay very focused. We'll go through in more detail with you our projections from silver very shortly, but that has been gold asset of the day. And of course, I wish you good trading.